Hey everyone, my name is Nassim Naidu. Today I am excited to present my project Studymode AI. Studymode AI is completely offline AI powered educational assistant designed to help students learn more efficiently. This application runs completely offline using Ollama model Gwen. This project is built using modern technologies including React with White, Tailwind CSS, FastAPI, Python, Ollama, Chroma database, SQLite, and PyMU PDF for document processing. Let me give you a quick demo of my project. Now we change the directory of to frontend and run frontend with a command. It gives link to access my web page. Now we run the backend with the same way. It runs the backend and handles the APIs and Gwen model. As you can see here, we need to open Ollama and select Gwen model. Now we need to follow the link to home page. As you can see here, this is my home page about AI chart, PDF summarizer, flashcards, quiz, and smart notes. In this AI chart, when you ask education based questions, it gives answers based on education because we use the RAG architecture to give answers based on education. As you can see here, it generates database management system in a structured way. Now, when we ask non-related education questions like tell me a joke, it does not give any answer. As you can see here, it is an AI education assistant, so it cannot give you any answer that are non-related to the education domain. These are the past conversations I've had with the AI education assistant. Now, the next module is about PDF summarizer. It summarizes the PDF and gives the small amount of matter so we can easily understand. As you can see here, I gave two PDFs about artificial intelligence and Internet of Things. Now, I wanted to show the uploaded PDFs. So, my PDF is not summarized because it has political things in that PDF. The name of the PDF can be educational name, but it only checks the matter inside of the PDF and gives the summarized matter. As you can see here, it generated summarized matter for machine learning. For jokes PDF, it does not give the summarized version. As you can see here, it answers like this. Now we move on to the flashcards so it can generate education based flashcards. As you can see here, we can also use mic and in flashcards we can set a limit or user can set a limit how many flashcards he want. Now you can see here when we click on generate, it generates the flashcards. As you can see here, it generates the flashcards and we can flip them to know the answer and shuffle the cards to jumble them, and we can mark them as easy, medium, hard, or missed, or bookmark the flashcards. It stores the flashcards in Chroma database. Now we ask the non-educational related question. So it does not generate any flashcards because it's non-related educational question. Now we move on to the quiz module, so it can generate quiz based on educational domain. Now we need to ask a question or topic based on education and it generates the uh, quiz based on, we can select quiz type or difficulty level and how many questions we want. As you can see here, it generated a quiz on Python. So I am clicking the options and submitting the answers. It shows the correct answer and wrong answer, and we can save the quiz on Chroma database. Now I am asking non-related education question. So it does not give the or generate the quiz. As you can see here, it did not generate the quiz. Now moving on to the smart notes. We can ask a question on educational domain or education based question. It gives the structured notes and give the answer. As you can see here, I asked about operating systems. It given the answers in a structured way. Now I am asking non-related education question. So it did not give the answer when I click generate or enhance the notes. As you can see here, this is the output of the smart notes module when I gave non-related question. As you can see here, I am moving my cursor through recents or history of my recent chart history. So it can save the chart history based on educations and non-related education also, and it stores the data in Chroma database. And I added a light mode and dark mode so it can be user friendly and user interactive, and also added the retrieve option of my sidebar so it only shows the icons. As you can see here, I added multiple languages like Hindi, English, Telugu, so it can change the front end into Telugu or Hindi however you want. In recents, you can see here, you can also delete the recent or history of my recent charts. As you can see here, I use this without any internet or any Wi-Fi connection. It is completely based on offline education AI assistant using Ollama Gwen model. Thank you for watching my project demonstration. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.